Hello guys, this is quick revision series for UPSC Prelims 2019. So let's get started. This is about me, and in this lecture we are going to discuss important countries and cities on Tropic of Cancer. In previous lecture we have discussed about Tropic of Capricorn. So this is the overview from South America to eastern side. Okay, so first country is Mexico, then Bahamas, then Western Sahara, then Mauritania, then Mali, then Algeria, then Niger, Libya, Egypt, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Oman, India, Bangladesh, Myanmar, China, and Taiwan. Okay, so we will see each of these countries in great detail. Okay, so first is, here you can see this is Mexico, big Mexico. There is the capital of Mexico, Mexico City. Okay, and here you can see small countries: Guatemala, Honduras, Nicaragua, El Salvador. All people of all these countries are moving towards USA. They want to settle down in USA. Okay, here this is Gulf of Mexico. Okay, then here it is Cuba. Okay, although Cuba is not on the Tropic of Cancer, but it was in news last year because Honorable President of India visited Cuba, and this is the capital of Cuba, Havana, which is the nearest city in this whole map on the Tropic of Cancer. Okay, then here is Bahamas, the Bahamas, and its capital Nassau. Okay, here it is. So moving on, this is Africa. Okay, so first country in Africa on Tropic of Cancer is Western Sahara. Okay, then is Mauritania. Here is its capital. Then Mauritania, after Mauritania there is Mali. Then after Mali there is Algeria. Then after Algeria you can see Niger. Okay, you can see that there is this small point from which Tropic of Cancer is passing. This is Niger. Okay, then there is Libya. Okay, so this is it. Then after that after Libya is Egypt. Here is capital of Egypt, that is Cairo. Okay, so till now the closest city to the Tropic of Cancer, or sorry, Tropic of Cancer is, Tropic of Cancer is Havana, which is the capital of Cuba. Okay, so moving on, then we come here. This is Red Sea, this is Saudi Arabia, this is capital of Saudi Arabia, Riyadh. Okay, then we have UAE. Okay, UAE's capital is here, Abu Dhabi. Then Oman, and then is Muscat, capital of Oman. Okay, it is also very close to Tropic of Cancer. Then we are moving on to India. This is India. We will see India in very great detail. So this is it. Okay, so first state is Gujarat, then Rajasthan, then Madhya Pradesh, then Chhattisgarh, then Jharkhand, then West Bengal, then Tripura, and lastly Mizoram. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 states. Okay, so Tropic of Cancer passes through 8 states of India, that is Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, and Mizoram. Okay, so we will see cities. Here is Gujarat's capital Gandhinagar, which is nearby to the Tropic of Cancer. Then capital of Madhya Pradesh Bhopal, which is also nearby. Then capital of Chhattisgarh, here is Raipur, it is far away. Then capital of Jharkhand Ranchi, it is also close to Tropic of Cancer. Then capital of West Bengal Kolkata, it is little bit far away. Then Tripura's capital is Agartala, it is nearby. Then Mizoram's capital Aizawl. Okay, and one more country between all this is Bangladesh. So this is Bangladesh, and this is capital of Bangladesh, that is Dhaka. Okay, so that is it. Okay, moving on. Now we are coming to eastern side. So now is Myanmar. Okay, so this is Myanmar, big Myanmar, and this is capital of Myanmar, Rangoon. Okay, so then we have China. So in China, no such, its capital is in northern side. Okay, and the no such big city of China is nearby to Tropic of Cancer. Then here it is Taiwan. Okay, so this is it. Okay friends, so we have covered all the countries. Let's revise it from the beginning. Okay, so First is Mexico, then is Bahamas, then Western Sahara, then Mauritania, then Mali, then Algeria, then Niger, then Libya, Egypt, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Oman, India, and in India it passes through how many states? 8 states. Okay, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, and Mizoram. Okay, then it also passes through Bangladesh. Then after Bangladesh we have Myanmar, then after Myanmar we have China, then after China we have lastly Taiwan. Okay, so that is it for this lecture, and if you like this video please hit the like button, and if you hate it please vote it down and share it with your friends. Okay, that is it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.